Hi, Marianne here. Welcome back to my channel. I baked some chicken this morning and I pulled it apart because I'm going to shred it for some shredded chicken tacos, but my chicken it's chicken breast, 0 points. This was a small chicken breast and it was over 6 ounces after I cooked it. And just to show you that weighing and measuring your 0 point foods, this stuff adds up. So I'm going to get a cup, two. Sometimes my little tacos, I only use a couple ounces of chicken, so I could get 3 meals out of it. But I don't have to make the chicken with it. I can make teriyaki chicken. I can do whatever I want with this chicken, but this is being realistic with 0 points. WWO Weekly Archive. It's called Find Right For You Portions. Okay. So first, let us say this. Portions are personal. We're going to get personal points soon, but portions are personal. The portion size that's right for you depends on what you're eating and how much you need to feel satisfied while staying within your Smart Points budget, which soon to be personal points. The best way to learn that amount is to do some measuring. I made a chicken breast this morning and I weighed it and it was 6.5 ounces. So for me, 3 ounces is a portion. So I've got 2 meals out of that one chicken breast. And I already know that's right for me because I've been doing it all along. Where some of you might eat the whole 6.5 ounces. I don't know. But if you haven't been weighing and measuring it, maybe you don't know that you're eating that much. But if you're getting overstuffed, maybe it's too much. But if it's just right, it's just right. For me, I build a meal around my 3 ounces of chicken. And it's worked out pretty good since I've been doing that the last couple months. So start with portions of the foods with Smart Points you eat most often. With time, you'll train your brain to serve up the right amount automatically. So guesstimates, right? You'll pretty much have a, kind of like when you're baking, you know what a teaspoon of salt is or things like that. I still weigh and measure it because I might want to be tempted to say, oh no, that's only 2 ounces, but put 4 ounces in there. I might be sneaky. So what to do? This week, try weighing, measuring the food you eat frequently using these steps. Number 1, serve yourself. What's your typical portion? Whatever it is, dish it out. For example, put your usual amount of pasta into your usual bowl or plate. Number 2, size it up. Measure or weigh that portion using cups or a scale. Now you know how much you're actually eating. See, sometimes I was eating a 9-ounce chicken breast and I didn't know that. I made a video about that. I had one breast. It was 9 ounces. I don't know how much a breast weighs. I buy a pound of breast and I don't know. But I found out, so I got realistic about it and started. I weigh my chicken all the time now, and my ground beef. I actually bought some 96% ground beef the other day, and I halved the package so that I'm not cooking a whole package at once, because 4 ounces is only 2 points on the blue plan, and that's the 96%. So 4 ounces is a lot, and so if I'm having a taco night, 4 ounces is too much. So I halved it so that when I'm having beef tacos, because usually that's what I use ground beef for, is when I want some tacos. And so I broke the package in half, so I have it in the freezer for when I want to have ground beef. Again, because mostly I've been eating chicken breast, trying to limit my red meats. But if I have the red meat, I have the 96%. And I weigh it. Okay, so you've served yourself, you've sized it up, now you need to track it. So use your WW app to find the Smart Points value. There's a hint. The barcode scanner on the top right corner of the My Day screen is great for finding packaged foods. How does this impact your budget? It's been working out pretty good for me lately. So then number 4, you want to decide what works. Does this portion work well with your budget? Remember that you can bulk up any meal or snack with your 0-point foods. So a little less pasta with lots of sauteed veggies. Lower in Smart Points value and delicious. So I actually don't eat a lot of pasta, and I just use the veggies. I like it with Parmesan cheese, and I measure my Parmesan too. So anyway, you have to decide what works for you. Like you could put less pasta, mix the pasta with some zoodles, the zucchini noodles that you make with your little veggetti or your zoodle maker. I have a zoodle maker that comes with my Ninja food processor, but I haven't used that one yet. When I've done it, I've hand craked them out, but personally, I like my zucchini just sliced rather than zoodled. I like it a little thicker. But you can bulk it up, so you can have your pasta with the veggies and not increase your Smart Points. So that's pretty cool. So find right for you portions. Tomorrow starts a new week for me. I weigh in on Sundays, and then I guess the new plan on the app isn't going to start until Monday, so I'm not sure how that's going to affect my tracking tomorrow. I guess I'll find out. I'm not going to change my weigh-in day yet. I might have to change my weigh-in day when I decide to go get a job, because I don't know when I'll be able to go to the meetings, but I'm just sticking with Sundays like I've been doing. And they have a recipe on here, the chicken, broccoli, and tortellini soup. So they have pasta, veggies, and chicken. So they got 0-point chickens and 0-point veggies, and with the tortellinis. It's only 5 points on blue. So it's nice if you've saved these things to have these recipes. Of course, points are going to change, but go with the flow, right? Anyway, make it a great weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. And tomorrow, I don't know that I'll do a weekly archive. I'll see if they give me a weekly tomorrow, and I'll do that weekly. And no need to make 2 weekly videos. My weigh-in will be a gain for sure, because I'll be dressed with shoes on and all that. I told you yesterday. So, looks like if I weigh myself at home, I'm going to have to wear my shoes and clothes before I take my shower. But that's okay. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe if you'd like, and I'll see you tomorrow.